In the 608 this morning, there is a guy who is going to encourage you. He's trying to encourage you and really everybody out there to put their mental health first this week.
Josh Breider here now with how exactly he's doing just that. Hey, Josh.
Hey, guys. Good morning. The topic of mental health awareness has been a growing issue, especially over the last year and a half with the pandemic. And there's a local man doing something about it. Jake Heel is in the middle of his second annual 10 for 10 program right now, which for him means running. Keel is the director of Children, Youth, and Family Ministries at St. Luke's Church in Middleton. He started this program last year by committing to run 10 miles a day for 10 days. Jay and the 10 for 10 team are encouraging the community to take up their own 10-day commitment, joining in and talking about mental health.
Sometimes we have to just set a goal. It doesn't have to be, I'm going to tell my whole story today, but maybe it's I'm going to work on this one part. And I realize if I'm asking them to set goals, that I had to show that I could do that too, that I could be a leader in that. Running is actually a part of my own mental health journey, and I realized that if I wanted to raise that awareness, I wanted to use something that helped me and kind of connect those things and set a goal.
The goal of 10 for 10 is to have open and honest conversations around these topics as a community while working to break the silence and stigma around mental health. The program runs through Sunday, but Jay hopes this is just the start of what becomes more of a conversation going forward. To learn more about his efforts and for more mental health resources, I've put links up on this story, channel3000.com, guys. Such an important conversation, and big shout out to Jay because we did this interview right after he finished 10 miles.
Wow.
So
wow.
He was a little tired. He's like, boy, you're interviewing me after? I'm like, yeah, sorry about that, dude, but hey, he did really good.
It's an important enough topic for sure, and it sounds like he has his finger on the pulse of what's going on. I'm sure he's hearing from a lot of his congregation about how this last year and a half has affected him.
Oh, I'm sure.
And especially even this week too, with the tragedy from over the weekend in Middleton affecting a lot of them. He said he's had a lot of families coming forward. So, I mean, this is a conversation that needs to be talked about day in, day out. This isn't going to be going anywhere.
You're absolutely right. Josh Breider, thanks a lot.
Remember to let Josh know what inspires you in the 608. Reach out to him on social media or shoot him an email for a chance to be featured.